Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight, high beam and turn signal in Dodge Charger. Without much talking, let's go and get this done. So first thing we're gonna do is pop the hood. Please note that this is a regular light, this is the high beam, and this is a turn signal. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's open the hood. To open the hood, pull to the left, raise it up, take the stand, secure the hood. Over here everything is simple because you can actually get your hand in and get to any light bulb you need to get to. This is the passenger side. With the driver's side it's a little bit different. You have this air filter housing here, okay? So what we're doing is actually we just take well, I use T25, you can use T30, it's better to use T30. And the only thing we do, we're just gonna unscrew the screw here, which comes out very easy. Screw this, put it here for now, then pull on these plastic pins and raise this thing. Move it to the left, get the filter out, get the housing out. Okay, so I park these things here, that's it. And now from here we can get to any light we need, just the same way on the passenger side. So once you decide which light you need to take out, what you do, you just grab the light, spin it and pull it out. This is the turn signal. To get it out, just pull it off with your fingers. Put the light on. Same way when you have the replacement one, just put it back in and spin it back in. Same way. Low beam, what is this? High beam. Okay, to disconnect the high beam, you have to just see these two pins here. You can take a screwdriver and carefully disconnect from the bulb. That's it. This is how you disconnect. When you have the new replacement bulb, just take it, connect it and put it back in place. That's it. Spin it and click it in. Same thing as with the passenger side over here. Just get your hand in, remove it, get it out. That's it. As you can see, it's very simple procedure and everyone can do this. When you're done, just take the housing, put it back in. Take your filter, put the filter back in. Take the screw, you can put the screw back in. And then you just have to make sure you put these pins inside. So start with this side, have it in, have this in, and just press here. That's it. That's the whole procedure. So if this helps, press like. Have a great day. Bye.